What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm out here in the garage with my Cobra Mustang, my Terminator, and I want to show you a brand new option for mounting gauges in the A-pillar of your Mustang, most specifically New Edge Mustangs. And yeah, I think you're gonna like this. But first, let's take a look inside of my Cobra to see what I have in that. So if you're familiar with my 2004 Cobra Mustang, and what I've been doing it for the past few years, this is a speed of sound dual gauge A-pillar pod. Really, really cool piece. Whether an OG or somebody who's really familiar with some of the coolest products that were ever made for these cars. This is, like I said, speed of sound. They do not make it anymore. What was great about it is it utilized the factory A-pillar trim here, and this one, mine is a convertible, so there would be one specific for convertibles, one specific for coupes, and it was OEM Ford that they attached these on here. And in my opinion, these are the best looking dual gauge pod, or whatever you want to call setups. But unfortunately, you're going to pay for it. I don't even want to tell you what I paid for this one, but it just looks so much better than those auto meters and the ones that kind of tack on, which is what my car had when I originally got it. So I absolutely love this, but like I said, the price of entry is pretty high. But now there's a brand new option out there that's much more reasonably priced. I have it on the bench there. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this is what's called the Sidewinder dual gauge A-pillar pod mounting from Venom Prototyping. Now, Venom Prototyping makes a lot of cool Mustang products. The guy's a really great fabricator. He makes a lot of cool stuff for the New Edge cars. He makes like 3D printed inserts that go in the side scoops. He makes ways to mount different type of fog lamps, or 15 to 17 Mustang GT fog lamps on the Terminator front bumper. And of course, he's most famous for those Cobra hood vents. He has a couple of different styles, and they're all really, really cool. Incidentally, these are the hood vents that I was talking about, the 3D printed hood vents. And here are some rain guards that he makes to go along with them, but we'll save them for another video. But this one, to me, is probably the most interesting of all. Okay, so opening up the bag, you can see there's a couple of things in here. This obviously is the dual pod itself. It's designed for 2-inch or 2 1/16 actually gauges. It's got some type of a mounting thing on the back here and a hole. I guess that's for all the wiring or vacuum tubing, depending on what kind of gauge you're going to be running. There is a pass-through between two of these. The finish is kind of like it's almost like a semi-gloss, which very closely should resemble the finish of your A-pillar. It seems to be pretty good quality, pretty thick, pretty strong. I got this orange thing, which I'm going to find out what that does. And this black thing. Now, the black thing looks like this, just at first glance. Mounts to this somehow here, probably with these two bolts, these two Allen head bolts, because this resembles the same shape of the A-pillar itself, so this must clip onto it. So the cool thing about this is that it reuses the factory A-pillar trim, kind of like the speed of sound does, except it doesn't mount on top of it like some of those other ones, like the auto meter and things like that, the ones that piggyback it. So let's see how this mounts exactly. So I really can't show you too much about how it mounts in this car because I already have the speed of sound, but luckily we have another Mustang. So we are in my wife's pre-stock 1999 Mustang GT, and you can see this is an untouched OEM A-pillar. Now the first thing you have to do is remove this A-pillar from the car, and then we can start to modify it. So what I found out is that this orange piece is actually meant as a template, and they tell you whether you have a 94 to 98 or a 99 to 04, how far from the base of the A-pillar to drill a hole. Now this right here, you can see it doesn't really fit the contours. This is perfect for my Terminator. I reached out to Venom Prototyping, and they told me that these two pieces are actually meant for the newer, I guess, the newer, thicker ones. And you can see this green one, which also is a template, same thing, is molded absolutely perfectly to this A-pillar. So what you do is you put it on there, you drill a hole, and with the screws provided, you would mount this piece right here. Now this piece will mount as a bridge between the pod itself and the A-pillar. I'm kind of trying my best to show you what it looked like with that little piece sandwiched between the A-pillar and the gauge piece
and it fits absolutely perfectly. So I guess you have to specify what year your car is as well, because there is a difference between my '04 Cobra and this 99 GT, but it does fit the contour perfectly. So if I pull this out, I want you to imagine how this would look. And like I said, without mounting it, I hope that gives you an idea. It is very similar to my speed of sound. And I'm going to put a couple of pictures that my buddy put up. My buddy Ryan, he shared with me a couple of pictures of his on his Cobra, because he has it mounted up. And I think you'll agree, it looks pretty slick. This pod is, it's pretty high quality. The plastic is thick. It's clean, it's finished. It has a nice look to it. It does kind of mimic the OEM Ford look, so it's not going to look out of place by any means. Even the drilling templates, regardless of years, they're pretty well engineered. I mean, I would assume they are exact because there are tolerances, but I will tell you that this green one does fit the 99 absolutely perfect. He nailed it. I'm going to assume this one does. Like I said, I don't have an OEM A-pillar for my Cobra, but I'm going to assume this does have that, more of a sharp, or a, I don't know, you can see it's more of an aggressive profile on the later ones. Pretty cool that, you know, he took the time to do that.
Like I said, I will put a link in the description where you can check it out. I also put a link in the description where you can check out the speed of sound, dual gauge A-pillar pod that I installed in here. It'll show you how to kind of pop that A-pillar pod out in a convertible. But like I said, it is a solid piece. It's always great to see new parts coming out for these new Edge Mustangs as they get older, that they kind of haven't fallen out of the good graces of the aftermarket. So if you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, make sure you subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.